Today, we got a theme going on today. We're fixing up for the holidays. Today we are trying a cooked alcoholic eggnog. So this stuff here, all this stuff here, these over here, that over there, is gonna turn something good. It's gonna do it.
You have the milk and the whipping cream?
I got whipping cream. I got milk. I got booze. I got this stuff. And it does. I don't even know I got that one. Didn't even say for that one.
What?
I thought it had vanilla in it.
No.
So we'll set that off to the side.
Okay.
Alright, for eggnog. It's eggnog season. I love it. Hot chocolates. Awesome coffees. Eggnog. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to get our fancy dancy little blender hoodie thing up here. I forgot to take that off. Because it even says in the recipe, Ninja blender.
It said the Ninja one is best.
I'm going to move these off to the side. I don't know where to put these.
Are you confused? You look a little...
I got too much stuff going on over here.
Overwhelmed.
A little bit.
Are you going to be able to do this? Because this is almost like baking. Like this is actual cooking.
This ain't cooking. There's no cook. It's no cook alcoholic eggnog.
I know. But it's like...
So, look at all that. Okay, so it starts out... I'm going to make just a huge mess here. Which is awesome.
You're not. You're going to be fine.
Awesome.
You're going to be fine.
Okay, so 4 fresh eggs, large, I don't know who would have unfresh eggs, but these are 4 large fresh eggs. I'm gonna put them in here. I don't trust myself to put them all the way up there.
Okay.
I'm gonna make a mess.
You're not gonna make a mess.
Ugh, there's 1. See? I'm making a mess already. 3. 4. Okay. 4 eggs. Take this. I'm going to try to get rid of all the debris as I go. Napkin.
I'll just sit here and
You
hold
just
the
sit there and hold the eggshells.
Video you.
Alright. Okay. So, 4 eggs and...
Just a quick question though. When you just threw that napkin back there, did you put
I got
it
a trash can.
Oh!
No, I don't want eggs in my garbage can. This is my bar garbage can. Alright. So, add 4 eggs to the blender. 4 eggs to the blender. Come on there. Blend on medium for 30 seconds.
Low. It says low.
Medium. Okay, add whole eggs to blender and blend on medium for 30 seconds.
Okay, yeah, you're right.
And it's got 3 speeds. So
yeah,
if I
it
hit
said
the middle
low.
one,
It said low if you only had 2 speeds.
Oh.
That's why you're supposed to use the Ninja.
I never plug it in. Power. What, does it have to warm up or something?
For 20 seconds.
Really? The blender has to warm up?
No, that's how long you're supposed to blend it for. Did you break the blender?
I did not break the blender.
Is the lid on all the way?
Oh. Okay, 30 seconds. It's like scrambled egg. What do you think? 30 seconds-ish?
Now, turn it off.
All right. Now, add sugar and blend for 20 seconds. Oh yeah. Okay, now this is 3/4 cup of sugar. They say granulated sugar, but I don't have a block of sugar, so I'm pretty safe.
That is granulated sugar.
I know. All right. It doesn't say, so we'll do it. All right, 20 seconds. Now, I need to add, okay, it's gonna be the nutmeg. Ooh. We need half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And I even have them so she don't yell at me. Exactly half. Oop. All right. Half a nutmeg. Cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon. 1/4. See, I ain't have teaspoons already. Because I rock. This is the first time we've ever made eggnog.
I know. I'm very scared right now. You gotta go faster though because you're doing.
I'm hurrying, okay.
They'll separate.
And okay. Now we're using a 2-bitch bourbon, Eureka Gold. I need a third ounce of this.
A 1/3 ounce?
I mean, not a 1/3 ounce. 1/3 of a cup.
Okay.
1/3 of a cup. It's 3 ounces. Ooh. Alright. So we got that. And then we got, I've never used this cognac. I don't even know if I ever open. I guess I should have pre-opened this.
Yeah, considering that the directions said you had to go quickly.
I am going
could
quick.
Separate.
It's not separating. It's okay. Time for the heavy equipment. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. 1/3 of a cup of the cognac. Ooh, this one smells good. It's an expensive ass cognac too. Okay, cognac. Milk. God, we could just put everything in. Okay. So we got 1.5 cups of milk. And she goes. See, it's going a lot faster now. And then 1 cup of heavy cream. Ah. Ooh, and it's heavy. Okay.
No way!
Way! Alright, heavy cream. And that's all the ingredients, so I can close this back up. In the blender. Alright, now, all this aside. And then, 15 seconds. Ah. I
another container to put it in the fridge?
Not yet.
Okay.
Try it out. It says to let it sit in the fridge for a day. So I can't wait. I'm gonna try it now because that's how I roll. I just want to see what it tastes like. And see,
well, the purpose of letting it sit in the fridge
is to
for
let
the 24 hours is so that all the flavors can blend together.
Well, I need to try it. Now, it looks damn good. It looks like eggnog.
That's good.
Smells good too. Now, we've tried eggnog liquor before. It was the Deep South eggnog that was,
It was bad.
It was bad.
It was so bad. I still have nightmares.
Oh.
Does it taste like the Deep South?
Oh, you have to. That is so good.
Is it?
Oh.
All right, I'm going to try a little bit, but it's got to go in the fridge.
Oh, that is so good.
Oh, that is good.
That is banging.
It's really good. But you got to pour it in a container and put it in the fridge because it gets better after 24 hours.
Oh.
Because you're dealing with raw eggs. The alcohol, I guess, does something to the eggs to make it so you won't...
If I get sick as a dog, it's
yeah,
okay.
well, it makes it so that you don't get sick.
Oh.
So, and actually, it only takes like 5 minutes to make it.
Well, it takes me about a half hour.
And
it takes the average person about 5 minutes.
It's super easy. I thought it was going to be really hard, but it's like super easy to make eggnog.
That is banging.
So you can actually have an alcoholic eggnog that tastes just as good as the sugary eggnog.
Oh.
Because it tastes just like the eggnog that you buy at the grocery store that doesn't have any alcohol in it.
But it's got that little kick at the end where it
yeah, but it's just a tingle. It's just kind of tingle. It doesn't taste like bad eggnog and a lot of alcohol. It tastes like eggnog.
Okay, that is a kick-ass eggnog. Easy to make. I can make it, anybody can make it.
That's true.
So, quick recap. It's 4 large eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, half cup of half teaspoon nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 ounces of cognac, and that's the expensive ass bottle that I've never opened, but that's all we had. Bourbon, we use a 2-bitch bourbon, Eureka Gold. Cup and a half of milk, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Kick ass.
Yeah. Y'all could be party gurus now.
Yeah. So we're gonna do some holiday drinks. God, I love this stuff.
Yeah, if there's a drink that you want to see us try and make.
Yeah, if there's a drink you want to see,
leave it in the comments.
Leave it in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe, and that's all we got for today. Kick ass eggnog.
We will see you in a little bit. It'll be 24 hours, but for you, it'll be just a little bit.
Yeah, we'll
to taste test the all done version.
All done version of eggnog. Just like that is damn. All right. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you Wednesday for a beer review.
Yes.
Oh, ho, ho.
Well, you'll see them again before the beer review.
Because we got some chocolate stuff just banging back here.
All right. Thanks for watching, everybody.